Being in the Washington, D.C. area gives us a great opportunity to offer our students academic resources. Washington, D.C. has wonderful institutions of higher education, lots of libraries. We also have wonderful historical sites that you don't find anywhere else in the United States.
One of the great things about Marymount is it's located in a suburban neighborhood, but we're very close to Washington, D.C. and the surrounding area, so we really have the best of all worlds here at Marymount with respect to our location.
I definitely believe that there are learning benefits from Marymount being so close to Washington, D.C. For a lot of my art classes, I come down to the museum so I can see the paintings we're learning about firsthand.
Marymount's proximity to D.C. has so many advantages for all different majors, whether it's resources or going out for field trips. Everything's so close to home, it's easily accessible.
I'm a member of Marymount Science Club, and this Friday we're actually going to an event at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum where we're attending a lecture about stars and astronomy. So I definitely wouldn't have had that kind of opportunity if I didn't go to Marymount University.